welcome to Flow Art Tutorials. If you wish to learn this awesome stall pattern, then you've come to the right place. I'd like to take this quick 30 seconds just to ask for your support. Without your support, this content on this channel would not be available. So I'm asking you to subscribe, like this video if it helps, and thank you for your support. Please enjoy the tutorial. I'm going to start this video off by teaching you this easy but fundamental down stall. Please do check the description because I've timestamped this whole video for your convenience. To get this down stall, what you need to do is you need to concentrate on the top of the stick. This top of the stick is known as the pointing stick. First of all, what you are going to do is you're going to draw like this half circle. So you're going to turn this stick from pointing one way to the opposite way. All you need to do now, just see how this stick is angled down. You're going to follow this down with your arm. This is going to cause this stall. So we're going to stall on the other side now. So this pointing stick right at the top, we're going to draw half a circle or half a moon over here, and then we're going to push this down until you can get this stall going pretty clean. Once you have got that stall down, you are ready to move on to the up stall. Time to learn this move. Now, this move is very complex and it involves repetition, and you just keep on going and just train it into your muscle memory. So this could take a while, but I'm going to break it down and break down the technicalities that are involved in this move. So hopefully you'll be able to do this move within a day or two, which will obviously be super cool. Now, to break down the up stall. The up stall is pretty complex because you're working almost like a half circle down here. Okay, so if you imagine you are moving your arm from side to side and you're working this motion here, okay? So almost this half circle down here. Now with that said, this half circle, what I want you to do is when you reach the end of this half circle, I want you to turn this nunchuck up. And the nunchuck you're holding, which is this one here, I want you just to chase this up like this, okay? When you chase this bottom stick, you chase the top stick with this bottom stick, okay? That is going to cause this stall, this up stall. It's very cool. Because it's almost gravity defying, you know, things almost fall down when gravity is involved, but this lets it levitate just ever so slightly. Now, to get back around on the other side, what I want you to do then is when you bring this here, I want you to travel to the end of this half circle that you're making here, okay? That you have been making, I'm sorry, and then you're going to track this and you're going to follow this up like so until you can get it cool and smooth like this. So, time to learn the almost stall chaser, which looks like this. There is going to be no easy way for you to learn this move if you haven't covered the down stall and the up stall, okay? So if you haven't watched them, I'd advise you to go back and check them out. I've got this whole video timestamp for your convenience. Now, we are going to go straight into a down stall. From the down stall, what we're going to do, we're doing the down stall with our non-dominant hand, and we are going to bring this in front here, okay? And we're going to point this stick down, and we're going to bring this in front of this stick here. So basically both sticks are doing down stalls if I show you from here, but we're just here, okay? Next of all, what you're going to do is you're going to turn your wrist and you're going to turn it back. So you're ready to do this half circle now at the bottom, which we covered in the up stall, okay? Which we're almost doing a half circle up here, and we're going to be pointing this up. But because gravity's taking place, you see, we're doing this up stall. So once we've come here and we've got this, that is excellent. You've got half of this move, man. That is perfect. So now to get this to cross, I want you to focus on this. We're basically, with this, we're going to be doing an up stall in both directions. The only difference is, okay, when we cross from doing an up stall up here, okay, this arm is going to go on top of this arm. So the non-dominant hand is going to go on top of the dominant hand. And that will automatically make that be a down stall, do you see? So as we come here and we come here, this falls, and you see, we're just doing an up stall on this side here. So here and then here, do you see? So this here is the cross. So you've got this just holding it here in this down stall. And then this is going to come underneath and do an up stall. Okay? So that is the cross and uncross and how to get in and out of this move. So if you find this useful in any way, please do subscribe, please do leave us a like and a comment, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Yeah, next week we are going to be learning this move right here. Ta-da! So please do drop us a like and we'll learn a full stall chaser next week.